So the power supply comes with two of these termination resistors. In this case, I've just got one in here at the moment. The termination resistors are important. They should not be discarded. They are there to terminate the ends of the diffuser run. They ensure that the signal strength is maintained and that you get good comms and a reliable installation. You can install the power supply on the end or the center of the diffuser run, depending on preference. If you decide to install it on the end, the advantages of that is that you might be able to install the power supply in the air handling unit room where it is nice and accessible. That way you won't have to you won't need access to the power supply in the main office space perhaps. You will sometimes need access to the power supply to make a connection to the MLM software. So you can do that through this RJ connection over here, having it in the air handling unit room will make that quite easy. If you don't have that problem of getting access to the office environment, then you might want to install it somewhere in the middle of the diffuser run in the ceiling somewhere. Then you'll get the benefit of some kind of redundancy. If there is a break in the slave cable connection for some reason, then only the diffusers on the one side of the power supply will be affected and not the other one. So that gives you a little bit of redundancy.